What's up, mi gente? Bienvenidos and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time joining me, my name is Alexis Dion. If not, welcome back, amor. You guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a few quick ways to take advantage and utilize this aloe vera plant. I'm sure you've heard of all the amazing benefits that come with this plant. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a hair mask, a face mask, and yes, even a drink because I'm feeling adventurous. I really hope that you guys enjoy this video. I'll be using some simple ingredients that you can buy at any of your stores, super affordable, so any of you guys can do this at home. Again, if you do enjoy this video, don't forget to like this video and to subscribe for future videos and hit that notification bell so you can get notified of when I do upload. With that being said, let's go ahead and jump into this video and I'll see you guys at the end. morning, you guys. I'm fresh out the shower, washed all of that aloe from my hair. As you can see, I hope you can tell, my hair is super shiny. It feels really good. My curls are really bouncy. I love the way the effect that the mask had on my hair. I can definitely tell the difference. I just wanted to give you guys a few quick benefits of using aloe in your daily routine. As far as hair goes, the main reason why I wanted to use the aloe is because I suffer from itchy scalp. I tend to have some dandruff sometimes, and aloe vera is an awesome natural product that you can use to help reduce some of that. It also helps with shine and moisture, as I can say is the truth. It works. As far as like for your skin, it's packed full of vitamins A and C, and it's also really good for acne. I suffer from acne, so aloe vera is an anti-inflammatory, so it definitely helps reduce the inflammation of any acne that you have, and with that, the redness that comes with that acne. And as far as drinking it, I'm not gonna lie, you guys, the drink that I made was not that good. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It was very bitter. I couldn't bring myself to finish it, but I've heard that aloe has so many awesome benefits if you drink it. Everything that it does for the outside of your body, it does that plus more on the inside. A lot of people said that they mix it in like their smoothies, which I feel like would kind of help mask some of that bitterness a little better than just my juice that I had on hand. If not, I'm sure you've seen them. They're all over like the stores, like in Walmart. They're all on the shelves. You can always pick up some aloe vera juice off the shelves as well. But other than that, you guys, I enjoyed making this video. I hope you found it helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give me that big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not already. Comment down below if you use aloe in your daily routine or in your beauty routine. What's your favorite way to use it and what do you use it for? I would love to know. Other than that, that's all I got. I hope to see you guys next time. Hasta la próxima vez, mi gente. Te quiero. Love you from the bottom of my heart. Ciao.